Okay, and then I also have the other gear here. This is going to be here that this does bolt onto, like this. It will sit like that and be turned with it. And then I have the other two auxiliary gears here. This one here is the drive gear that I will drive with a socket here. And then I also have intermediary gear, and this is basically the one that meshes, that connects this one all over to this gear here. So I'm gonna get these off here. Might have to become like that. Okay, now I can take these off here. As you can see, they just need a minor bit of cleanup here, just cutting all these filament edges in.